Sandy.
And I'm Rosie.
I'm a dive instructor and free dive instructor.
And I'm a dive instructor and I assist in the shop when needed. We had the best day ever.
Yeah, we had an Ohana day on the boat and we saw not one, not two, but 3 tiger sharks. Woo!
And an eagle ray. And tons of flounder, rays, or eels, all kinds of things. What else did we see?
Octopus, yeah.
Octopus,
It was awesome.
So many things.
Yeah.
Oh yes, we did an Ohana Day pyramid. So it was literally a scuba diver pyramid.
Scuba.
It was awesome.
Cool. So what was your favorite thing about today?
Rosie's happy dance after she saw a tiger shark for the first time.
Yeah, it was my first time seeing a tiger shark in Hawaii. It was so magical. So everyone needs to come out and check it out.
Yeah, do it.